Here, question number 18. Sum of fourth term and the eighth term of an AP is 24. And the sum of sixth term and the tenth term is equal to 44. Find the first three terms. So fourth term means A4 and eighth term, that is A8, is equal to 24. So A4 plus A8, that is equal to 24. Therefore A4 is equal to A plus 3D. What is A8? A8 is equal to A plus 7D, that is equal to 24. Therefore A plus A is 2A plus 10D, that is equal to 24. Whole term divided by 2. Therefore A plus 5D is equal to 12. That is an equation 1. And sum of a sixth term. Sixth term means A6. And tenth term, that means A10. A6 plus A10, that is equal to 44. Okay, A6 means A plus 5D. A10 means A plus 9D, that is equal to 44. A plus A, 2A. 5D plus 9D, 14D is equal to 44. Whole term divided by 2. Therefore A plus 7D is equal to 22. That is an equation number 2. Solved by elimination method, equation 1 and 2. And subtract them. A first equation and second equation. And subtract them, minus, minus, minus. 7D minus 5D, that is 2D, and 2D is equal to 10. Therefore D is equal to 10 by 2. Therefore D is equal to 5. Okay? D is equal to 5. Here, find the first three term. First three term is to find A and D. Here D is equal to 5. Put this value D is equal to 5 in equation 1, otherwise equation 2. So A plus 5D is equal to 12 at D is equal to 5. Okay. Therefore A plus 5 into 5, that is equal to 12. Therefore A plus 25 is equal to 12. What is the value of A? A is equal to negative 13. 12 minus 25, that is negative 13. Then find first three terms. First three terms A plus D and A plus 2D. A plus D, A plus 2D. What is A? A is equal to negative, that is equal to negative 13. Negative 13 plus D, D is equal to 5. And negative 13 plus 2 into 5, that is equal to negative 13. Negative 8 and 5 to the 10. 13 minus 10, that is, sorry, was it negative 8 minus 13 minus 8 and 10 minus 13 plus 10, that is minus 3. Therefore, the first three term of an AP is negative 13, negative 8 and negative 3. Okay. So first we find the value of A and D and then find the sequence. Okay. Subbarao started his work in 1995. In 1995, Subbarao started his salary rupees 5,000 and receive increment rupees 200 each year. At which year? The salary rupees 7,000. कौन से ईयर में उसकी सैलरी 7,000 तक होगी वो हमें फाइंड करना है. Let nth term of an AP is rupees 7,000. Let nth term of an AP is equal to rupees 7,000. Or to find the value of n is equal to question mark. कौन से साल में सैलरी 7,000 होगी वो हमें फाइंड करना है. तो here A is equal to starting salary is rupees 5,000. Common day difference and receive increment in each year is rupees 200. Therefore, common difference is rupees 200. AN is equal to 7,000 and N is equal to question mark. AN is equal to 7,000. AN means A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to rupees 7,000. Substitute the value. A is equal to 5,000. N minus 1 into D. D is equal to rupees 200. That is equal to 7,000. And 7,000 minus 5,000. Okay. Therefore, 200 into N minus 1 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 divided by 200. 0, 0 cancel. 10. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 10 years. Therefore, N is equal to 11 years. After 11 years, his salary is rupees 7,000. After 11 years, his salary rupees 7,000. Okay. In which year? Therefore, 1995 plus 11 years, that is equal to year 2006. Year 2006, his salary rupees 7,000. In which year? Year 2006. Here in question number 20, Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week. Therefore, here A is equal to rupees 5 in first week. Okay, of a year, and then increase her weekly salary rupees 1.75. So common difference D. Common difference D is equal to rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75, find AN. Then let AN is equal to rupees 20.75. Find AN. After how many weeks the salary rupees 20. His saving rupees 20.75. What is the value of AN? Formula of AN plus A plus N minus 1 into D. That is equal to 20.75. What is the value of A? A is equal to 5. N minus 1. What is the value of D? D is equal to 1.75. That is equal to 20.75. Okay, clear? That is equal to 20.75. So here N minus 1 into 1.75, 20.75 minus 5. 20.75 minus 5, 20 minus 5, that is 15.75. Therefore, N minus 1, 1.75 is in denominator form and subtraction is 15.75. 1575 divided by 175. 1575 divided by 175. Okay. 175 9 ja 175 9 ja 1575. 175 9 ja 1575. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 9. Decimal point दोनों साइड है. One after 2 digits both are cancelled. Therefore, 1575 divided by 175. 175 9 ja. Therefore, N is equal to 10. Therefore, after 10 weeks, he is saving rupees is saving rupees 20.75. That is the final answer after 10 weeks. After 10 weeks. Okay. Therefore, sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Here, first term is A. First term, that is equal to A. Common difference is equal to B. Common difference is equal to B. And nth term, that is equal to n. Nth term, that is equal to n. Therefore, sum of n terms. Therefore, sum of first n terms nth term of an AP is, formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n 2 n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to sum of first n terms of an AP. Or it is same as n by 2. 2a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. But that is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to an. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to n. That is the nth term of an AP. And that is equal to a plus an. Otherwise, an is equal to last term. An is equal to last term of an AP. Therefore, Sn is equal to another formula, a plus n by 2 a plus n. If first term and last term of an AP is given and nth term is given, number of terms is given, then find the value of Sn. Directly put this value in Sn formula, n by 2 first term plus last term, sum of first and last term, multiply n by 2. Then we find out. Suppose first term is equal to 5, last term is equal to 50, and the number of term is 11. Number of term is 11. Then find the value of Sn. S11. So 11 by 2, 5 plus 55. 5 plus 50. Then we find out the value of Sn. Okay? Clear? Write down. देखो, sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. That is equal to formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Suppose find the value of sum of first 20 natural number. Sum of first 20 natural number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 20. So put n is equal to 20 into 20 plus 1 divided by 2. So 20 into 20 plus 1, 21. Divided by 2, 20 by 2, that is equal to 10, and 10 into 21, that sum is equal to 210. तो इस फॉर्मूला से हम उसका सम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n नेचुरल नंबर, that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Another formula, sum of first n odd natural number. N odd natural number. Sum of first n odd natural number, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to 2n minus 1. Last term is 2n minus 1. And the sum is equal to n square. Sum is equal to n square. Suppose we find the sum of first 10 odd natural number. Sum of first 10 odd natural number, that is equal to 10 square, that is equal to 100. Direct we find the value 10 square is equal to 100. Another one, sum of first n even natural number. Even natural number. Sum of first n even natural number, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 up to 2n. Up to 2n, that is equal to n square plus n. Otherwise n into n plus 1. Suppose we find the sum of first 10 even natural number. Sum of first 10 even natural number, that is 10 square plus 10. 10 square plus 10. 10 square is 100. 100 plus 10, that is equal to 110. Otherwise 10 into 10 plus 1. 10 into 11. 10 into 11 is equal to 110. Okay. And last one. Sum of first n perfect square number. Perfect square natural number. Natural number means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, that is equal to n by 6, n plus 1 to n plus 1, n by 6, n plus 1 to n plus 1. Suppose we find the sum of n, sum of first 10 perfect square number. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. तो ऐसा लिखते हैं, सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ फर्स्ट n नंबर, सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ फर्स्ट n natural number, first n natural number, that is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square, that is equal to 10 by 6, 10 plus 1, 2 into 10, 20 plus 1. So 10 into 11 into 21 by 6, that is 5 by 3, and 3 7 are 21. 5 into 7, 35. 35 into 11, that is equal to 385. Therefore, sum of first 10 perfect square number, otherwise sum of square of first 10 natural number, that is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10 square, that is equal to 385. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यू में आ सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये फॉर्मूला है शॉर्टकट. फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 22 टर्म्स of the AP 8, 3 minus 2. Here AP is 8, 3 minus 2 dash dash dash. What is first term? A is equal to 8. What is the common difference D? D is equal to second term minus first term, A2 minus A1. 3 minus 8, that is equal to negative 5. And what is N? N is equal to 22. N is equal to 22. And put sum of first 22 term. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Therefore, S22. What is the formula of Sn? Sn is equal to formula n by 2. N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus L formula use होती है, पर last term is not given. Here last term is not given. Then we find the value of n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is n? N is equal to 22. N is equal to 22 by 2. 2 into a. What is a? A is equal to 8. 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into d. D is equal to negative 5. Okay, clear? D is equal to negative 5. 22 by 2, that is 11. 8 2 ja 16. 21 into negative 5. Okay, that is 11. 16 minus 105, 11 5 is 105, and 105 minus 16 minus 105, that is 89. 11 into minus 89. Therefore, sum of first 22 term is negative 1079. Sorry, negative 979. Negative 979. Okay, that is equal to sum of first 22 terms of an AP. पहले देखते हैं. See, if the sum of first 14 terms is S14, that is equal to 1050. Sum of first 14 term is 1050. That for S14 is equal to 1050. First term is 10. Here A is equal to 10. What to find? Find the 20th term. 20th term is A20. That is equal to question mark. तो कोई भी टर्म फाइंड करनी है, 20th टर्म फाइंड करनी है, ए और डी हमारे पास होना चाहिए. n is already given. n is equal to 20. And put this value in an formula. So here S14 is equal to 1050. What is the formula of Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put n is equal to 14. At n is equal to 14 and a is equal to 10. Okay. Put this value S14, 14 by 2, 2 into 10, 14 minus 1 into d. What is the value of S14? S14 value is 1050. S14 is equal to 1050. 2 7 are 14. 2 into 10, 20. 14 minus 1, 13 into d. Okay. Therefore, 20 plus 30d is equal to 1050 divided by 7 is 20 plus 13d. And that division is 150. 15 7 are 20 plus 13d. Therefore, 13d is equal to 150 minus 20. Therefore, 13d is equal to 130. Therefore, what is the value of d? d is equal to 10. 130 by 3. 113 by 13. 130 divided by 13, that is equal to 10. What to find out the value of A20? A20 is equal to A plus 19d. Yes or no? A plus 19d. What is the value of A? A is equal to 20 plus 19 and d is equal to 10. 19 into 10, 190. D is equal to, A is equal to, yes, A is equal to 10. 10 plus 190, that is equal to 200. Therefore, 20th term of an AP is 200. 20th term of an AP is equal to 200. Chalo. How many terms means find the value of n? How many terms means find the value of n? AP is 24, 21, 18 must be taken so that Sn is equal to 78. Here sum of n terms is given. What is AP? AP is 24, 21, 18 dash dash dash. What is A? A is equal to 24. D is equal to 21 minus 24 and that is equal to negative 3 and Sn is equal to 78. Sn is equal to 78 is given and find the value of n. Okay. Sn is equal to 78, therefore n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 78. What is n? N as it is 2 into a is equal to 24. n minus 1 into negative 3 is equal to 78. So 2 multiply with 78, 2 multiply with 78, and 24 to the 48 minus 3n plus 3, 78 into 2. Therefore, 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n is equal to 156. Okay, 156. So 51 into n, 51n minus 3n square is equal to 156. Transposing the terms, 3n square is positive. Negative 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Each terms divided by 3, that is n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term. Factor of 52, its addition is 17. Therefore, 13 4 ja 17. 13 4 ja 52 and 13 plus 4 is 17. Plus 52 is equal to 0. N is common, n minus 13 minus 4 common, n minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 13, n minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4. Therefore, there are two values. For n is equal to 14. Therefore, sum of first 4 or 13 terms of an AP is 78. So there are here two values of n. Sum of first 4 terms and the sum of first 13 terms, whose sum is equal to